guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Pepe Coin on Binance in a simple and easy way. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom middle of the screen and tap on the trade option. This section is used for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. After entering the trade section, look at the top left side where you'll see options like Convert and Spot. Tap on Spot to access the trading market. This allows you to buy coins directly using pairs like USDT. Now tap on the coin pair drop-down or search icon. In the search bar, type Pepe, then select Pepe USDT from the list. This opens the Pepe coin trading chart and options. Once the Pepe USDT pair is open, look for the buy option on the screen. Here, you can choose how you want to buy the coin. Make sure you are on the buy side before entering any amount. Now, enter the amount you want to invest. You can set a limit price or buy directly using USDT. After entering all details, tap on Buy Pepe at the bottom to complete the purchase. And that's how you can easily buy Pepe coin on Binance. Always double-check the coin name and amount before confirming your order. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and comment below for more easy crypto and tech guides.